This is a very interesting code challenge for white. It seems like either this stone will die or this stone will die. White cannot save both. So if white simply connects here, black can live very easily. Or if white captures these two stones, very easy for black to make a living shape. Similarly, white crawling here won't work. It's not enough to reduce black's eye space. So these moves can be eliminated very easily. An interesting move would be this. Because black is very short on liberties, number 1 might be a sharp move. Black cannot capture this stone, because this way, black will be dead. That's why number 2 can only be here. And now, white can just connect back and destroy this extra eye. What happens now is that black will try to cut here, and of course, white cannot connect. This way, white will die very easily. And the technique is right here to make this code. And this seems like a code, but there's a problem. So black will capture first, of course. Black is happy to capture first. White will have to find a co-threat elsewhere. And white captures back. What happens now is that black, of course, can play this local co-threat, captures back. White finds something else on the outside. And now, what black can do is to throw in here number 18. This is capturing a connect and die against these two white stones. So white will be forced to capture back. And now, black will capture again. And this is a double code that white cannot win. Because after number 20, in order to save all these groups, white must find a co-threat elsewhere on the board and capture back. And now black doesn't need to find the co-threat elsewhere. Black simply captures back this code. And once again, white can't just cancel this code because black can make a living shape by capturing these two stones. So once again, it is white that has to find the co-threat elsewhere, captures back, and black will just capture back, right? So this is what the double code is about. Only one side finds co-threats elsewhere, and the other side, the winning side, only captures the other code. So this is actually going to be a failure for white. That's why number 1 here actually doesn't work. Seems very promising, but doesn't work. So what else might work? The other move is right here. This will work. This is also making use of black's shortage of liberties. Once again, black cannot Atari here. If black only captures this stone, what happens now is that white will just Atari and number 3 and 5 and kill black with number 7 because this is 3 liberties versus 2. Black cannot capture these white stones. And that is why black's only move is to capture this stone right here. And we'll be able to come in this way. It'll be something like this, where the sequence might be a little different, right? These are all very similar. What happens now is that black will Atari here. It seems like if white connects, it will be able to kill number 6. But black can use white's shortage of liberties by playing at number 8. But in this process, black will be able to find another real eye with number 8 and 10. So that's why white should play here instead and start this code. And this is the correct sequence. Black captures first. White doesn't have a local co-threat. If white captures back, does black have a local co-threat? The answer is yes. Black can still play here. White cannot connect because once again, black has this move that forces white to capture and black will be able to build a real eye. So number 13 must answer the co-threat and number 14 will capture back. And after white captures back, black has another local co-threat here. So it seems like black will have 2 local co-threats and white has none. Overall, I think this is pretty interesting. And I just think number 1 right here is super tempting, but it's actually wrong. And the double code is actually really fascinating. Once you find the double code, try this move and it will work. And this will be the correct sequence. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.